And they're off. Early ladies taken by a friendly venture by the rail. Madame Leonora on the outside. Italia in between horses. Brown Baby and Boss Doring. Ada mid-back stretch, friendly venture, followed by Italia on the outside in second. Madame Leonora running in third by 2.5 lengths. Brown Baby by the rail in fourth. And Boss Doring. Far turn, friendly venture by the rail. Italia on the outside in second. And running in third by 3.5 lengths. Madame Leonora, Brown Baby, Boss Doring. Rounding the far turn, Italia moving up on the outside by half a length, followed by friendly venture. And closing in third is the favorite, Madame Leonora. At the top of the stretch, Italia on the lead. It's Italia on the outside is Madame Leonora by the red friendly venture. But it's still Italia in between horses. Madame Leonora on the outside, friendly venture by the rail. It's Italia and Madame Leonora moving up on the outside. Italia and Madame Leonora moving up on the outside is now Madame Leonora in the lead. And finally, it's Madame Leonora, Italia, friendly venture, Brown Baby, and Boss Doring.
6-4-3-2-1 ang ating unofficial order of